In this video, I will show you how to get a Spotify Premium free trial. So the difference between the free version and the premium version of Spotify is that the premium version allows you to listen to your music offline, so you don't have to have an internet connection. You can actually download the music onto your device and listen offline. And in addition to that, you can also listen to the music ad-free, and you can skip through the songs, and there's a couple of other benefits and features of upgrading to premium. So to actually get a free trial, it's very easy to do. What you're going to want to do once you've signed up for Spotify is come and log into your account, and you can do this on either the Spotify app or the web player, so it's completely down to personal preference. In today's example, I'll be using my laptop, so I will be showing you how to do this on the web player. So once you're logged in, you're going to see an upgrade button up in the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is just give this a click to be taken to the premium page, and you'll see what's going to happen. As I say, this only works if you are a new customer and you've not had a free trial of premium before, but you'll see at the moment they're offering a premium free for 1 month, and at the moment it's £9.99 a month, after which you can cancel at any point. So there are a couple of different plans available, so if you click onto the view plans, you're going to see a list of the different plans, and the more premium users you have in a household, the more of a discount you can get. Underneath each plan, you're going to see a list of all the benefits and what you're going to get by signing up for that plan. And to go ahead and get the free trial, all you want to do is click onto the get started button underneath the plan that you want to go for. So in this example, I'm just going to go for the individual plan, and what I'm going to do is click the black get started button at the bottom, which is going to take me across to a page that's going to look like this. So if you're eligible for the free trial, what's going to happen, it's going to tell you in this plan detail at the top. So you can see it says Spotify Premium Individual, £0 for 1 month, and this for 1 premium account. Start free month today, and the first billing date will be on the 7th of July 2022, which is exactly 30 days from today. So you can check here if you are entitled to the free trial or not. As you can see under these bullet points, it says you won't be charged until the 7th of July 2022. Of course, you are free to cancel at any point. You're not tied into a contract. If you want to cancel premium during the free trial, if you give it a try and you feel that it's just not really for you, you can do that at absolutely any point. It is completely fine to do. And what you want to do is just scroll down and choose which payment method that you want to do. And the reason it's asking you to enter this now is just at the end of the trial period. If you do decide to go ahead, they can obviously take the payment straight away with no problems. Of course, the payment methods are going to vary dependent on your country. For me, being in the UK, I've got the choice of a credit or debit card, or to pay by PayPal. So it's absolutely fine to use any of those methods, and what you would do is just quite simply enter your details and then click the continue purchase button down here. So in this example today, I'm just going to go ahead and choose the credit or debit card option, and what I'm going to do is enter my details. And once that's done, I'm going to go and click the buy now button down here. So after a second or two, you might have to do a verification. As you can see with my bank, I've got a verification set up. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this now to authorize that to be set up. And you will see once that's all done that you're going to get a screen like this confirming that your premium is now active. You're able to use it straight away. And what's going to happen, you're going to get a receipt sent to their email associated with your account. And just a reminder that, as it says here, you will not be charged until after your trial expires. So as I say, sometimes they do a free month, but most of the time it's just for 30 days. And it's going to tell you when your trial expires. So as it says, if you change your mind, you can cancel anytime by going to your account. It's very easy to cancel as well if you don't want to go ahead with premium. And that's it all set up, ready to go, and that's how to get a free trial. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then please leave a like on the video. And if you're looking for more tips, tricks and tutorials for Spotify, then make sure to click the on screen pop-up now. That's going to take you across to a playlist of my current tips, tricks and tutorials for Spotify. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel to make sure that you stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. So I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next video.